So in this video series, I will be teaching you how to use the Blender software in the architecture, engineering and construction industry. And if you are a Blender beginner, please do watch my basic videos. This is the interface of LibreCAD, which is a free and open source software, and I have drafted this plan of a room with interior dimensions 3 meter by 3 meter. If you are not familiar with LibreCAD, please watch my video on installing it in your computer. Today we will learn how to import a 2D CAD drawing into Blender. So firstly, we need to save it as a DXF file, drawing exchange format file, in order to import it in Blender. For LibreCAD, .dxf is the default format, and if you are using AutoCAD, you can save the .dwg file as a .dxf file. To check the units, go to Options, Current Drawing Preferences, and in the Units tab, make sure it is meters. Now save the file as a .dxf file. I am naming the file as plan.dxf. Let's open Blender, select all and delete. Go to the top view. To import a .dxf file, we need to enable an add-on. Go to Edit, Preferences. In the add-on section, search for DXF and enable these two add-ons. Close it and go to File, Import, and here there you can see the AutoCAD DXF. Click that, browse the file location, select the file and import it. Now we can see that the plan has been imported to Blender. Now it's a dark background. If you change it in Edit Preferences and Themes, if you set that Blender white, you can easily see the plan. If you find this video useful, please like and share. Post your comments below. For more updates, consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.